When debugging complex applications, the sheer volume of strace output can be overwhelming. The -E option is your first line of defense, allowing you to filter system calls by name or by groups. You can specify a comma-separated list of system calls to trace, such as strace -E, open, close, ls. Alternatively, you can trace system calls belonging to specific groups, like -E file for file-related calls, or -E network for network operations. You can also explicitly exclude calls using minus. For example, -E trace equals open will only trace open calls, while -E minus trace equals read will trace everything except read calls. This drastically reduces the noise, letting you focus on the relevant interactions. Debugging file access issues can be particularly challenging, especially in applications that interact with many files. The P option in strace provides a powerful way to filter system calls based on the file path they operate on. By specifying strace-P path to specific file command, strace will only show system calls that access the specified file or directory. This is incredibly useful if you suspect a permissions problem, an incorrect file path being used, or an unexpected read-write operation on a specific resource. For example, if you're trying to figure out why an application can't read a configuration file at etc.app.conf, you could use strace-p/etc/app.conf your app to trace only interactions with that specific file.